Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel. My name is Juan from Web Design DNS, and today I want to break down step by step how to build an online store with Wix. All we have to do is follow my screen and copy that I do. Now, knowing this is really important because this will help you to increase your conversions and increase your sales, and then it will help you to increase your amount of money that you make. It's really important. Now let's get into my computer and I will show you how to do this.
Web Design DNS, Center of Help. Find us. Every time, everywhere.
Okay guys, first of all we have to type wix.com for going to Wix. Then you just click the Get Started button or Sign In button and go ahead to create your free Wix account or sign up with an existing account. You can get started with Facebook, Google, or Apple, right? To make your sync process, you need to enter your email address and password that you want to use. Click on login and that's it. Now if you are signing up like me, you just have to click on create new site, and if you are registered, Wix will ask some questions about your Wix account and you'll start to create your website automatically. Okay, now Wix asks what kind of website do you want to create. We have many options like business, designer, blogger. In my case, I'll create an online store that you can choose the kind of website that you want to create. Okay, I'll click on the online store option. Okay, the next step is choose if we want to create our website with the ADI creator or if we want to choose a template for creating our website. The ADI creator goes through a bunch of questions and just kind to put our website on the right way. On the other hand, we can choose a template for creating our website, so I click on choose a template to show you. From here, what do you want to do is scroll down and choose a template that you think looks good. So I'm just going to view how it will look and feel on my site. For viewing the template, you click on the view button on the option that you want. Okay, I click on view. And this is the overview, but if you want to view the full demo, you click on view full demo. And here you can explore the full view of this site. You can see how to really look at your site. If you like, you can start editing your website. So click on the edit this site button. And then you'll take you to the editor area. Alright, now we're here in the editor area. No matter which template do you choose, there is going to be similar features. You'll see a page like this with your control bar in the top, your toolbar in your right, one menu like this in your left, and you have a drop down menu on the control bar left with your pages, and it shows all the different pages that you have on your website. Great. On your left menu, click on My Store and then click on Get Started. And here you can see 4 options: Store Manager, Store Pages, Add Store Elements, Learn More, and the option for update to accent payments. That is really important because you must have the Wix Premium subscription to accent payments on your website. And you can check this information in the upper right corner. Learn more. If you don't know about Wix Store and you want to learn about it, here you can check the Wix Store Help Center. Here you can learn more about Wix e-commerce or any question that you want to know more about information. You must only type your question here in the search engine of Wix Help Center and read about whatever you want to know about Wix Store. And you can explore this store support forum and find more info about Wix Store. Or if you want tips from the Wix blog, you can also explore the last option. Okay, now add the store elements. For add more options, here you can change your galleries. If you want to have a different type of gallery, if you want to be a slider like a carousel of your product, if you have a big product or widgets or the cart buttons or shopping apps, there is many different elements that you can add those into your site. Okay, now let's go with store pages. You can see your store pages right here. We have 4 pages: shop, thank you page, cart page, and product page. And of course you can customize them. You can settings the page info like rename, delete, hide, or change the layout, permissions, and SEO from Google. And also you can add pages if you think it's necessary in this button. Okay, let's go to the store manager. To add your product and customize them, I click on the add product button. It will take you to the dashboard and here you can edit your product. Okay, so the first product we want to say for this particular example, I simply type luggage piece set. And if you want to add an image for this, or maybe you want to add a video, I recommend you to add one video to show your products, like reviews. It's pretty nice, but for this example I add an image. Okay, I'll add an image from the media from Wix. Okay, I search luggage set. Click to add the option that you want and click on add page. In your right, you can change your visibility of your product if you want to show in an old collection or show in a collection that you want. For example, I want to show in bestseller. You will fill in the rest, and yeah, let's say this is a new arrival. Okay, new arrival. We can change the price for it, so let's just say it $200. We can put on sale for maybe a discussion will be like 10% off. you can show your price per unit, and you can change your total quality in units and units of measurement. In my case, I don't put this option. When writing your description, right here, we want to say, for example, awesome luggage piece set, perfect to travel with your partner, for example. But you must have to write a great description, right? And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can add additional info right here. Customize text. If you want to allow the buyers to personalize this product with a customer text field, and product options. If you want to add specific details to your product, and inventory and shipping for tracking your inventory, and also you can add subscriptions. And then you only have to save your product, so I'll click on save. Alright, we're done. Okay guys, this is to add payments method. Okay, close. Okay, and here you can see all your products, and you can hide the products from your store, and you can duplicate and delete as well here. Okay, to add a digital product, you'll click on plus new product button, and here if you want to add a digital product, something people might be selling like videos, courses, ebooks, audio files, something like that, you can sell right here. And here you just have to put your name and update your file and fill in the more info. But in my case, I don't want to put a digital product. Okay, now let's go with collections. And here, as you can see, there's some default collections, but you can add more collections. You only have to click on the plus button, or here in the plus new collection. And also you can edit the existing collections. Right here you can edit, replace image, or delete, except for old products. We only can edit and replace image. Okay, then here you'll see the products in your collections, and you can change the collections name over here at your right, and you can change your collections image as well. And in this button you can add more product to this collection. Okay, you just have to save if you want to add more products, but not my case. Okay, you just have to click on save, and that's it. And finally, you can sell products from dropshipping suppliers. If you don't have a physical product, you can alliance with modalities or Printful, and obviously you can find more info about it right here. Okay guys, now let's go to orders. Let's go to the main menu. Okay, in orders, click on store orders. Okay, in orders you can see the orders of your customers, that obviously it's open up for a business subscription on Wix. When you get it, you can see your abandoned cart as well. Okay, I click on main menu. Okay, now let's go to general info. Scroll down in your left menu and click on settings. Okay, click on general info. Okay, here we're going to be a lot of important things like add your own logo or change your store currency and location. Alright, the first section is contact info. We can type your email address, your phone, and your fax. On scroll down, and here is basic info. Here you can put your business name or website name and describe your business, adding a short description and select your category and subcategory. And you can also add your own logo for your business. You click on the plus button and you add your logo. Okay, the next one section is favicon. And favicon is a little image next to the title in your website tab. And here you can change your title tab, but this is only for the business subscription. Okay, the next in your left is to add accent payments method and you write shipping region, and it will explain this in a moment. Okay, right, the next one is your location, and you turn on this section if your business have a physical location, or if your business doesn't have a physical location, you can simply turn off this option, right? Okay, and finally section it's regional settings. Over here you can change your region settings, your languages, and for example English, and you can add languages if you want to add. And here you can change your currency, for example dollars. Okay, got it. And your time zone, for example this. And you just click on save when you're filling out this information. Okay. Okay guys, we're done. Okay, now let's go with shipping and fulfillment. Scroll down in your left menu and click on Start Shipping. Alright, here's the region that your physical store is. And you can turn off the region if you don't want to sell in this region anymore, or turn off if you want to start selling in this region. And you can also edit. And fulfillment service. You can use a fulfillment service to store and ship your products. Okay, here you can set new regions into add region button. You just have to find your region that you want to sell your products. And if you will scroll down, you can change your rate if you want to do with free shipping or the same rate to each order, or rate by width, or if you want to with a rate based in the total price or rate based in the product. There's a few options where you can sell your product with a rate shipping. And if you scroll down, you can add a delivery time, but this is optional. Okay, in the last section is to pick up, and here you just have to check the checkbox next to the option. and here you need to fill in the details and instructions that your customers that follow to pick up the order on your physical address. Okay, so if you want to add the regions, click on save, and that's it. Okay, now let's go with store tags. I click on store tags. Okay, well, to get this option available, you need to get started with the business and e-commerce subscription on Wix. Down below, you can add your country over here, and then you can customize your tags. Or in the next section, in tax settings, you can explain if your tax is included on your product and fishing prices. If the answer is yes, you click on the checkbox next to the option yes, tax is already included. Okay guys, we're done. Now in your left menu, scroll down and click on Store Settings. Okay, here you can click on the checkbox next to the option that automatically create a bot for every new order payment online. Okay, and you can change your store policies. For example, your terms and conditions. You just only type your conditions. Here, your privacy policy, your return policy for some products or orders, and contact info. And you can create your own custom policy if you want to explain a specific instruction that your customer. Okay, and the next option is customize your checkout. Okay, over here you can change the fields that you check out. For example, the company name, the address, the phone, and you can add additional info right here. Okay, and here you can invite to your customers to subscribe to your email list at checkout. You just have to check in this checkbox, and here's the policy agreement checkbox, and you can obviously learn more about orders, email notifications. If you want to send emails to your customers for send a specific info and keep them informed about the status of your orders and the status of your store and products and all the info that you want to send to your customers, right? And here you can click on send email automatically. Obviously I want to send automatically email, and you can see the preview over here, the preview of the email that your customers will be received, right? And here you can add the status to your products, right? And you can also edit this email, but for now I click on closed. And the next one is another email that your customers will be received to specific details to the links of your page, and here you can edit and put the links, right? And the last option is one email to pick up process to your customers will follow to pick up an order, right? Okay, this is all for store settings. Now let's go to manage your store pages. Okay, I close this dashboard. Well, I'm here in the editor area again. Okay, I close this tab, and here you can click on the drop up menu and view the store pages. Let's start with product page. Okay, here will be the way to see how to look and feel your product page to each product. This is an example. Okay, click over here on the product. You can manage your products again if you're missing information. But once you have finished customize your product, you need to manage the appearance of the store pages. Okay, I click on settings, and then over here you can change the layout. Maybe you want to say turning, and as you can see it's changed the layout, right? And you can change the straight to full width layout. Okay, scroll down. If you have thumbnails, you can change how to show them over here. And finally, you can change the image size. Okay, let's go with settings. Alright, here you can show the information that you want to show to your customers. If you want to show the product price and other info like info sections, navigation and more. Then if you want to show the add to cart button, you have to check it, and if you want to show the minimal cart or go to the cart page directly, you can show the buy now button. You have to check it as well. And if you want to show the social media, you can do it in the last section. Okay, in the text section, you can obviously change the text of the buttons and the out of stock message. And the next section is widgets. Here you can add a widget. Okay, it's adding the widgets right now, and we just have to wait in a minute. Okay guys, I close the toolbars to see, and here's the button to widgets. Okay, close. And here in the settings, specifically in the widget section, you can change the button design. For example, here and yeah, you can change the color, opacity, the width on color. For example, I want to change to red, and the color blue. Okay, and you can change the corners over here, and yeah. Okay, it's great. And finally, design. Now here we can change the features of our products like background and borders, product details, buttons and info sections. And into each section you can change the design. For example, if there are text like product details, you can change the alignment, the font and the color font. And the other section, you can change the design of specific features like buttons or maybe info sections. And yeah, that's it. You can change the style of your buttons over here. For example, I want to change this, and I want to change the color. For example, this. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I click on closed. And if you want to manage the design to other page, you just have to select the page that you want to change. For example, a shop, product page, and about, contact, customer care, and for example, store page, shop, card page, thank you page. For example, thank you page. And then you click over here and go to settings and change whatever that you want to change with respect to the design of the product features. Okay, this is similar. Okay guys, we are done, and you can save your page. This is a generic domain, but you can change your domain when you got it the business and e-commerce plan from Wix. Okay, and click on done, click on publish, click on done again. Okay, close this. Okay guys, this is the ending to this video. As you know, if this video helped you, hit the like button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We have Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And you can also explore our website, Web Design DNS. All of them in the description below. Okay guys, we are done. Take a great day and I see you in the next one.